Every minute of unplanned downtime costs an average of $22,000 for manufacturers. Imagine a restaurant with a busted oven during the dinner rush, or a hospital operating room with a malfunctioning piece of equipment. So, are you prepared for the next unexpected breakdown? Planned maintenance is about being proactive, anticipating problems before they rear their ugly heads, and keeping things running smoothly. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wait for your car engine to seize up before changing the oil, would you? Planned maintenance is all about scheduling regular checkups, tune-ups, and replacements to keep your equipment in tip-top shape. There are different types of maintenance. Preventive maintenance is like your regular oil change scheduled tasks to keep things running smoothly. Predictive maintenance uses sensors and fancy gadgets to tell when something's about to go haywire. Corrective maintenance is fixing things when they break. Condition-based maintenance is about being proactive and fixing things before they become a major headache. Neglecting maintenance is like playing Russian roulette with your business. Planned maintenance helps you avoid costly surprises by keeping your operations running smoothly. Taking care of your equipment means it'll last longer, saving you even more money in the long haul. Implementing a planned maintenance program might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be rocket science. First, take inventory of all your equipment and figure out what kind of TLC each piece needs. Set some goals, reduce downtime, lower maintenance costs, etc. Create a schedule for all those maintenance tasks. Document everything to ensure that everyone's on the same page. Technology can be a real game changer for planned maintenance. CMMS software helps you schedule and track maintenance tasks. Predictive maintenance tools use sensors and data analysis to predict problems before they even happen. Implementing a planned maintenance program isn't always a walk in the park. One common challenge is overscheduling. You don't want to do more maintenance than necessary. Another hurdle is finding qualified people to do the work. There are upfront costs associated with starting a new program, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial investment. A well-executed planned maintenance program can increase the lifespan of your equipment by up to 25%. Planned maintenance also helps improve operational efficiency, leading to fewer breakdowns and smoother workflows. Who wouldn't want that? Let's look at some real-life examples of how planned maintenance is saving businesses time, money, and headaches. In manufacturing, regular maintenance on factory equipment can reduce downtime by up to 30%. In the automotive industry, scheduled oil changes and brake checks can prevent catastrophic engine failures. Planned maintenance is the key to avoiding costly breakdowns, improving efficiency, and extending the life of your equipment. By implementing a solid maintenance schedule, you can save yourself a whole lot of time, money, and hassle down the line. You might even start to enjoy the feeling of being proactive and in control of your equipment. If you haven't already, start planning your maintenance today. It's about constantly evaluating your processes, making adjustments, and finding what works best for you and your business. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your productivity and saving costs. Now go forth and conquer those maintenance tasks. We've all seen what happens when things aren't properly maintained. Planned maintenance is about taking pride in your equipment, your business, and your ability to get the job done right. It's about being proactive, responsible, and always prepared for whatever life throws your way. Remember, stay dirty, but keep it maintained. It's a motto to live by.